Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of 45 days DAX challenge. Today we will discuss calendar function in DAX. So be with me till end of this video, and in this video I'll discuss the related function which are very important while you are working with calendar. The functions are such as year, month name, how we extract quarter, how we extract day, how we extract day of week, weekdays, year, month, and other functions. Okay, so let's jump to Power BI desktop and see calendar DAX function in very detailed way. But if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do let me know in the comment section which DAX function you want to learn on day 5. And accept this challenge for next 45 days. You will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I am going to discuss for next 45 days. Okay, yeah, so let's jump to the Power BI desktop. What I'll do is I'll create one new table. Okay, so the table name I'll say is calendar table. Okay, calendar table. So first I want the calendar between two dates, date lower date to higher date. So how we can extract, just write calendar. Okay, a start date. So a start date I want from, let's say, 2024 Jan 1 to 2025 last day. So 2025 12th 31. Okay, if I press enter, see we have the date starting from January 1st 2024 till last day of 2025, such that 31st of December 2025, and this is date time. As you could see here, time is also defined 12 am because we are not defining time. So by default somewhere you will see 0000, and but in this case we are getting 12 am. Why? Because the time in my system is in a in a 12-hour format. If the system is in 24-hour format, in that case 00 will be there. Okay, I hope you got it. So first function I'll discuss is how we extract year from date column. So what I'll do is I'll add one new column. So the column name is, let's say, year. So year, we have year function, year of date. So which date I want date column of calendar table. Okay, so calendar date, this one. If I press enter, see we extracted year separately from date column. Fine. Next I'll extract month number. So I'll say month number. Same, we have one function, that is month of what? Date column of calendar table. Yeah, this one. So we extracted the month. You could see wherever we will go, see April is the 4th month, so the code is 4. Fine. Next let's say I want to extract month name. Okay, if month number is 1, that means January. If month number is 12, that means December. Fine. So month name. So month name we have we have to use format function. Format of what? This date column, right? Date column of calendar table. Yeah, and here I have to give the format. So format M. If we are giving 4 times M, that means the month name will be in a full name of the month will occur. So that January, whatever the length of that month, January. Okay, and then next February, then March, then April, likewise till December we will get. December again, month is 1, so January is we are getting. Fine. So for that we have to specify 4M in a format. But if I, let's say I give 3, then we will have only the first 3 character of month name. See, Jan, then the next will be Feb, third will be MAR for March, and for April we have APR, and for May, because May has only 3 character, that means the full name of May will come here. Fine. I hope you got it. So if you have not subscribed yet, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to insert data. So I have created separate Telegram group. If you are a data aspirant looking for job role, job change, or you want to transition your career into data field, then go and join the Telegram group where I post interview questions, daily job updates. Okay, link of that group is in the description. Please go and join. You can follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere. Link will be in the description. So what we have extracted yet, so we have extracted year, we have extracted month number, we have extracted month name. So month name, you have to be bit cautious. If you are providing three character 3 times M, that means the first 3 character will be there of that month. If you are providing 4, that means we want month in a full format, full name. Okay, and let's say again I'll create one new column, and this time I want to extract quarter. So I'll say quarter. We have quarter function. Quarter of what? Date, calendar date, because we have date. Okay, see, we got quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Why? Because from Jan to March is Q1, from April to June is Q2, likewise last is from October to December is Q4. Okay, so here 1 is coming, but I want Q before 1. So what I'll do is I'll extract. Okay, I'll just concatenate. So I'll say concatenate Q. So what we can do is, how we can do, we have one function concatenate Q. I'll say Q comma this. Let's see what we can do is, yeah, we got Q1, and whenever the month will be 4, we have Q2 here. Okay, so you also understood how we can use concatenate function in DAX. Fine. Next, I'll create again one new column. In this column, I'll say, let's say this time I want to extract the day from. Okay, so day equal to, let's say day, we have day function, day of calendar table of date column. See, so it will extract the particular date. So January 1 is day 1, 2nd January is 2, 3rd January is likewise. If we go till last 31st, we got 31st. Again, new month is starting, so Feb 1 we got day 1. Fine. Now I want to extract only, let's say, year and month from calendar table. So what I'll do is I'll create one more new column. This column name I want to, let's say, I'll say year month. So I have to write format of what? Calendar table date column, comma. I want to extract what? I want to extract year and month. Okay, see, we got year and month. If you want to only extract, let's say, year, month and date, then you can give YYMMDD. So what it will does is it will change the date into date time into date, and but you have to make sure that you have to change the data type here from text to date. Okay, so yeah, almost we have discussed each and every function, but if I am missing anything, do let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to comment with proper definition into the comment section, or will update the description going forward. So don't forget to comment any function if I am like missing anyone. I'll create one more new column, and here I'll say weekday name. Okay, weekday name. So what I have to do is I have to use format function, format of what? Calendar table date column. Okay, yeah, and what you want only first 3 character, or you want the full name of that? So as of now I want full name. So what I'll do is I'll give the 4 times D. So see, weekdays starting from Monday. So 1st January 2024 is Monday, right? 2nd January 2024 is Tuesday, likewise. Okay, and if you want only 3 character, then what you can do is you can just remove 1. So what it will give is, it will give the first 3 character of particular that day. I hope you understand the calendar and the related DAX function in a very detailed way. Still, if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment your doubt into the comment section. I'll reply each and every comment of whatever you will comment. Fine. So yeah, till then, take care, and we will meet soon. Bye.